Do you know many people are having trouble with mistake A9 on their V-Zug Adora SL Dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify error cause. If you see mistake A9, it could be due to a faulty electrical connection or overvoltage. Step 2. Cancel error message. First, cancel the error message by pressing the button on the dishwasher. Step 3. Turn off power. If the error persists, turn off the power supply for about 1 minute. Step 4. Restore power supply. Turn the power supply back on and cancel the error message again. Step 5. Restart and check. Restart the program on the dishwasher and check if the error reappears. Step 6. Document error message. If the error occurs again, make a note of the error message and FN number, then turn off the power supply. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the mistake A9 error on your V-Zug Adora SL Dishwasher. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other VZUG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.